Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Muncie to Belmead to Kensington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Camden, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Morristown, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Bensalem, Jackson, Howell, and East Brunswick. People attending COVID-19 drive-through testing should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile marker 63 and 134. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 34. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 20, and between mile markers 25 and 53. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 32 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 42 and 47. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 40. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 13. The following is a severe